You might be wondering what the cyber range looks like. This is the VBox virtual machine example I'm using for this class. You will build one yourself on your machine or in our lab. Hacking in this cyber range will keep you legal. Let's start with the system properties. The PC is a Core i5 with 16 gigabytes of RAM and a solid-state drive for speed. Let's open VBox. The whole cyber range and its network exists inside VBox. This PC is the host for the 3 guests in this example. Here's our server 2012 R2 Standard Edition. I started that up already because I have it saved on my hard disk drive, which is considerably slower than the solid state. We need the server on this network for DNS to get to the internet, and DHCP for the workstations to get on the network and see each other, and the domain to authenticate the users. Notice the input menu, keyboard, and insert Control-Alt-Delete, or use the host plus delete key shortcut. Like a KVM switch, I have one keyboard and mouse for all 4 computers. So I need the input insert keyboard to send the Control-Alt-Delete function to the virtual machine, not my host machine. Otherwise, I'd be logging in and out of the host, and I want to log into the virtual machine. So I press the right control key. It's on the right side of the keyboard, plus delete. And you can see there I have my login screen. Let's start the 64-bit computer Win 10 professional workstation. Here's that. Start it up. There it is in its window. It's on window. And as you can see, this boots pretty quick, maybe even faster than my laptop. See the hard drives working away down here. These are the virtual devices. So we do Control Enter to get to the login screen. I log in. And let's start the internet just to see if we're connected. And we are. Okay. So let's start Kali. Here's my Kali VBox. I start that. Kali 2.0 VBox. So this is like the power on self-test. In Windows 10, they don't show you this because it looks kind of confusing and scary. But this is what it looks like when Kali or Linux boots up. So let's log in. The administrative user on Linux is root, and the default password is Tor, T-O-O-R, which is root spelled backwards. So here we have our desktop. Let's go to the command console in Linux. We can type ifconfig, which is the Linux command to see the interface. And here you can see, the IP address and the subnet mask and all that other information related to how this is configured to the Ethernet. There you go, 4 machines in one. You can see here's like the my host machine. Here's my server. Here's my workstation. And here's Kali Linux. They all work pretty darn fast, thanks to the hardware. So 1 machine pretending to be 4. That is the miracle of virtualization. Thank you for watching.